Hi everyone, and welcome back to Hello English Daily. Here you'll find lots of short videos to help you practice and learn English in less than 10 minutes.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're going to talk about our daily routine.
But first, what does daily routine mean?
A daily routine means the things you do every day in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening.
Exactly. Everyone has a routine. Maybe you wake up, have breakfast, go to work or school, eat lunch, relax, and go to bed.
So, let's start with the morning. What do you usually do in the morning, Emma?
Well, I usually wake up at 7:30. I check my phone for a few minutes, then I get up and go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and brush my hair.
Nice. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Sometimes I do, especially if I have time. Otherwise, I take it at night before I go to sleep. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually, I eat toast with butter and strawberry jam, and I drink a big cup of coffee with milk. Sometimes, when I'm in a hurry, I eat cereals with milk or yogurt with fruit. What about you, Alex?
I usually wake up earlier than you, around 6:30. I like to do a bit of exercise in the morning. I go for a short run in the park near my home.
Wow, that's impressive.
After my run, I take a shower and get dressed. Then I make breakfast porridge with banana and honey and a cup of green tea.
That sounds nice and healthy. What time do you go to work?
I leave home around 8:30 because my office starts at 9 o'clock. I take the bus and it takes about 20 minutes to get there. I am lucky as it's not a long commute.
That's not bad. I work from home, so I start at 9 a.m. too, but I just walk to my desk with another cup of coffee.
You're lucky. Okay, now let's talk about the afternoon. What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually eat lunch around 1 o'clock. I like to cook something light, maybe a salad with chicken, tomatoes, and cheese. Sometimes I eat pasta or soup.
That sounds delicious. I usually have lunch a bit earlier, around 12:30. I go to a small cafe near my office with my colleagues. I often eat a tuna sandwich and a piece of fruit, like an apple or a banana.
That's a good lunch. What do you do after lunch?
After lunch, I go back to work until 5 p.m. Then I take the bus home. Going home sometimes takes longer than going to work, as there is more traffic.
I usually finish work a little later, around 5:30. Then I like to go for a walk in the park or meet a friend for coffee.
That's nice. I sometimes go to the gym after work, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. I try to be active.
Oh, good job. I prefer walking the gym is not for me. I usually walk home from the office to get some exercise in my routine. I take the bus or the tube when it rains, which happens very often in London.
Yeah, fair enough. I also walk from time to time, usually in the spring when the weather is nice. Now let's move to the evening, my favourite time of the day.
Same for me. I usually have dinner around 8 p.m. I like to cook something simple, like pasta with tomato sauce or rice with vegetables. And I always have dessert, a little yogurt with fruit or some chocolate.
That sounds great. I usually eat dinner a bit earlier, around 7:30. I like grilled chicken with potatoes and salad. After dinner, I usually watch TV or read a book to relax. Do you also watch TV?
I often watch a series or call my family after dinner. It's a nice way to finish the day. Sometimes I try to read a book, but I get very tired in the evening.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m., as I was saying. I like to read a few pages before sleeping, if I can.
That's nice. I usually go to bed around 10:30 because I wake up early the next morning.
So that's our daily routine. Morning, afternoon, and evening full of small things that we do every day.
And now we want to hear from you. What's your daily routine? Tell us in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Hello English Daily for more easy English conversations and short lessons.
See you next time.
Bye everyone!